Hey everybody, it's Sean. I just wanted to drop a quick video on some new updates to the website / funnel builder. So first up, if when you go to the button here, you can now, there's a new action called go to step, and inside the website builder, it's go to page. Whereas before you only used to be able to jump to the next step, now you can specify when they click the button exactly what step to bring them to. So that's pretty awesome. Now also, if we go in here and we add a navigation menu to this particular funnel, I'm just going to throw it down here to make it easy. If you go over on the left hand side and you look at the individual items for the menu and you edit them, you can now actually do a couple of things you couldn't before. We now support the ability in the URL to do the TEL extensions, the mail to extension, as well as the SMS extension. So before there was a workaround to this, but now you can actually do it in the menu, which you couldn't do before. So that's pretty awesome. So that's in there. And then the next one is on the ability to hide and show elements in the countdown timer. So I'm just gonna actually walk you through this. So first up, actually, we now have the ability to set a custom time. Whereas before you had to choose one of these predefined times, you can now do custom time. And then the other thing that you can do is you can actually set it so that you can show and hide a particular element. So basically the idea here is when we reach the countdown, we want to go ahead and either hide something or show something. So it's pretty easy to do. You literally just click this. Let's say we wanted to hide a particular element. So let's say we wanted to hide, coming down, we wanted to hide the button. We could do that pretty easily, or this image actually maybe would be an easier example. And you can hide multiple elements as well and show multiple elements. So you go ahead and select that, and then all you have to do is set the time, and then as soon as that time actually comes down, what will end up is we'll end up actually hiding it, and it won't show in 4 hours. It'll automatically hide that on the page. Now let's say you wanted to show an element. So hiding makes sense, it's already visible, right? So how do we show an element? So let's say, same example, we wanted to actually hide that image. So we'll roll down, we'll choose this image, and we'll say, okay, great, we want to hide this image. But wait, if we preview this, what we're gonna see is that the image is already on the page. So how in the world are you supposed to show something that's not hidden or is already shown, right? So what you do is pretty simple. You go back in here, you can do it one of two ways. You can either click the image, and on advanced, you can choose the visibility here and here, or I kind of like this method. You come up here and you actually grab the manage on the rows, and then you can actually hide and show the actual whole row that it's in. If that's easier for you, and you just use the you can use the toggle visibility. And actually, the better place to do it is probably in the manage elements, because in this case, we just want to hide this one image, right? So that's pretty easy. So now that's hidden. So this time when we hit the preview, what'll happen is it won't be there on the screen, and then 4 hours and 39 minutes from now and 7 seconds, that image will reappear. So anyways, just to kind of go over that again, we support the TEL, the SMS, and the mail to URLs. We have the ability to go to a specific page or a specific step, depending on if you're the website builder or the page builder. We have the ability to set a custom end time on the countdown timer, and you have the ability to now hide and show elements when that timer runs out. So anyways, just wanted to get these out. Ashutosh worked really hard on these. I just want to send a big thank you out to him, and I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks.